Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 20th, 2018, and we're here with one of the potato plants. And we wanted to show you here. These are actually potatoes that are just starting to come on. And you can see the roots coming off. This is your potato stalk here. And these are the potatoes coming on. Now we had this covered with grass and compost. So we're going to be...
They'll grow underneath that stuff.
And they're growing underneath
of the compost and the grass.
Of the compost and the grass.
So when you harvest them, you'll find them right under the grass. A lot of them.
So when you harvest a lot of them, I don't know if you can hear my dad or not, you'll find them under the grass a lot of times because they're sending their runners off.
You can see that grass is about 3 to 4 inches deep.
And we have the grass about 3 to 4 inches deep. Now we don't use any chemicals on our lawn. You want to make sure that if you use your grass clippings, you don't use any chemicals on your lawn at all. So this is the potato patch here. You can see these are blooming. And there's Mikey in the potato patch. Now, these over here, we didn't have grass clippings for these, and these were planted later. So what we did is we took the ground from the center and we hilled it around the stalk of the potato plants.
And we'll get grass around them too.
And it helps keep your potatoes from getting sunburnt, and they will get grass around them as well.
Did anybody do this for?
So I wanted to give you a quick update on the potato patch. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.